Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Brave Search to Chromium. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Chromium browser. And once done, go ahead and go to the top right and click on the three dots right here. Now go ahead and go to settings. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead over to a search engine right here in the left panel. Just click on it and just click on change. Okay. As you can see here, we now have Brave Search. And don't worry, to add one, just go ahead over to the plus sign right here and add in a new tab. In the URL box, just type down https, okay, :/search.brave.com. All right. And once that's done, just turn on enter, wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, we have the Brave Search Engine. Okay. So what we'll do is just go back to settings right here, click on manage search engines inside search. So click on it now, go ahead and scroll all the way down and you will find an active shortcut. Okay. And here we have Brave. So just click on activate. And once done, it will be moved right here under the site search. Now to move it finally under search engines, just click on the three dots and make as default. Okay. And once that's done, just go ahead and test it out. Open up a new tab, type down anything you want, hit on enter. And as you can see here, we are now currently using the Brave Search Engine. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.